Is it possible someone inexperienced can start a coaching and consulting business right away? Actually, if you have achieved any result in your life, you can help someone to achieve that same result. Because there are many people who want to achieve that same result that you have achieved in your life, even if that result is small. My name is Ahmad Azam, and in this video, I will tell you how to start a home based coaching business online. I'm in this coaching and consulting business since last 4 years now, and I have helped many individuals and companies launch a successful consulting business online. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video. Alright, so you can start with your most impressive results. What you can do is you can list down all of your achievements, the things you actually have achieved in your life. And even if you have produced any small result in any area, maybe in health, maybe financially, or maybe in relationship, you can write down that on paper, because there are many people out there who want to achieve that same result that you already have achieved. And you will be able to have more success in your business if you will start with the results that you already have gotten. So the next thing you have to do is you actually have to create a process on which you can walk someone to achieve that same result. So what you can do is you can sit down with yourself and you can ask yourself that how I actually have achieved this result. And then you can create a complete process that this is the process on which I actually have achieved this result. And then you can create a step-by-step criteria to help someone to achieve that same result. Because if you have a step-by-step process of doing something, then it becomes very easy to walk someone on that same process and achieve that same result. Alright, so the next thing is that you actually have to represent your business online. So today it's not difficult to start any business with just a laptop and an internet connection, because today most of the successful businesses are online. But if you want to take your business online, you actually have to somehow represent your business, that this is your business, this is what you are providing, this is the problem that you are solving. And for that, what you can do is you actually can create a single page website. On a single page website, you can represent your service in a way that if someone is visiting your website, straight away they should know that you are solving this problem or you are helping achieve this result. And then the next thing you have to do is you actually have to create your social profile. And on social profile, you actually have to follow the same criteria. And on your social profile, you can provide free value for your target audience. When we are starting an offline business, we need an office or a shop or maybe any location where we can actually represent our business or the service that we are providing. And when we are starting an online business, then what we need is we need a website to represent our business or the service that we are providing. And your website should be designed in a way that it should be focused to convert your audience into sales. And if you need any help building your website for your consulting business, you can book a free strategy call with me following the link in the description below this video. Alright, so once if your website is ready, then the next thing you have to do is you actually have to promote your service or your website. What you have to do is you have to put that website in front of people who wants to achieve that same result that you already have achieved. But you have to make sure that your website should be designed in a way that it is focused to convert, it is marketing optimized, and when we will put your website in front of those people who wants to achieve that result, they should automatically convert into your clients. So for promotion, there are two strategies. There are paid strategies and then there are free strategies. The paid strategies are Google ads, then Facebook ads, then YouTube ads, and then there is influencer market. So like Google ads, on Google there are many people who actually are searching for solving any problem or who are actually searching for achieving any certain result. If you already have achieved any result, any small result, and you have created a service on that, then what you can do is you can start a Google ads campaign. So people who are actually searching to achieve that same result, they will visit your website, and when your website is marketing optimized, they will end up converting into your clients, and you will start to get your first few clients coming from your website. And the next strategy is the free strategy. And in free strategy, what we have to do is we have to provide value. In paid strategy, we were actually spending money on ads, and in free strategy, what we are doing is we are providing value. And what you can do is if you want to drive traffic for free towards your website, you can create a YouTube channel or you can create your Instagram account, and on your Instagram account you can start to provide free value. Paid strategy is known as a quick strategy because you will start to see some results very quickly. If you will start a paid campaign today, in 24 hours you will start to see some people visiting your website. And it's very easy to get targeted people with paid strategy. And for free strategy is actually will not give you traffic right away. You have to spend at least a month or two providing free values on social media, or if you're writing a blog or on your YouTube channel, and then you will start to see some results. Because when you will start on social media or on a website, you will be having zero followers. So when you're doing free strategy, first of all you actually have to focus on building your followers, and then you will start to see some impressions, and then people will start to visit your website. So if you need any help starting an online consulting business, you can join my free masterclass by clicking the button below this video, or you can book a free strategy call with me by clicking the button below this video in the description. And if the information in this video was helpful, give me thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can comment below. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Please make sure to subscribe.